Hi guys, my name is Reggie. I'm the Chief Technician and Master Detailer for Mafra, Italy. This is my fellow colleague Ali. And in this video, we're going to show you the new Corrector from Mafra, the heavy cut compound. Our first stage in the paint correction system is going to be Corrector 2.0 heavy cut compound. What does this compound do? This compound was designed, developed, researched and produced in Mafra, Italy in Milan. For this compound, you can use heavy sand marks with a great finish. Benefits of this product are, we have low dust, very high comfort, VOC, filler and silicone-free, easy wipe off and suitable for any kind of pad. What it does is create heavy cutting with high comfort and leaving a phenomenal finish. So you do 2 steps in 1. And how that's going to look like, I'm going to show you on this car. I'm going to use the Mafra GLADIUS R56 rotary polisher. This machine is very light, very comfortable, and very high performance. That means that you can have maximum results with less effort. The micro-abrasive technology in Corrector allows you to work with different range of pads for different ranges of defects. For the wool, you can remove sanding marks from 1500 and up. For swirl marks, you can use a medium polish foam pad, and for lighter marks, you can even use a fine pad. This compatibility makes Corrector a standalone on the market as we know it today. In the first part of the video, we started with Corrector, removing 2000 sanding marks back to a very nice finish. However, using a rotary, sometimes you may occur having holograms. For that, we designed step 2, Illumina 2.0. With this product, you can remove swirl marks, sanding marks from up to 2500, and remove the holograms without filling them. This product does not contain any fillers, VOC, or silicones, giving a show car finish to a new car. To create a perfect finish, rotary polish needs some attention. To make my life a little bit easier and create a nice finish, I'm going to use the Zen Tool 21 dual action machine in combination with the orange medium pad to remove any swirl marks or holograms from the previous stage. This machine will be very comfortable to use with no risks whatsoever. Low dust technology, very easy to wipe off, and a show car finish. After stage 2, the paint is back to its original state. Now it's time to protect. And I'm going to use Splendida, the glaze booster, a sealant that it can hide a little bit of micro scratches, giving protection, beading and sheeting, UV protection, protection from industrial agents, pollution, and giving a very silky finish with a tremendous shine. How to use this product? Take your finishing pad, in this case the black, apply 3 drops to the surface, put the machine onto the surface and put it to the lowest speed. This product only needs dividing, no pressure, very comfortable. Splendida needs no curing time. After it's been applied, you can immediately remove it, the microfiber down, and it's going to be very easy. This concludes our video of Mafra's 3-step system to get your paint back to factory new. Starting with step 1, heavy cut Corrector 2.0. power strong enough to reduce 1500 sand marks with a nice finish. Moving on to step 2, Illumina 2.0, capable of removing sanding marks from 2500 grid and giving a show car finish. Finally, step 3, Splendida 2.0, a sealant to protect from external agents, giving extreme silkiness, beading and sheeting. My name is Reggie Cox, this is Ali. Thank you for showing us and watching this video. Follow us to get more and give us a thumbs up.